Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw some flip-flops. So to start off with our flip-flops, we're going to begin with the strap. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of goes up, and then it's just going to come down, just like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to come down here, and it's going to come to a point like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and comes up. And then another one here. It's just going to curve down and then come back up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. It's going to come over, and then we're just going to bring it down like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just goes down. It's going to kind of curve around and then come up like this. Then right along here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down, and then I'm just going to follow the curve and then come right to here. And then I want to do the same thing over here. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up. And then it's just going to go down. It kind of comes to a point. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up. And then it's just going to come down to here. Then you want to make a line that just kind of loops down and comes back up on both sides. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up. It's going to come over, and then it's just going to go down right to here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and it's going to come up. And then right here, just draw a line down, and then just kind of follow the curve, and then come right to here. And there you go. There are your two flip-flops. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.